In the early 90s, a revolution ignited. Nirvana burst onto the scene with their groundbreaking album, Nevermind, capturing the angst of a generation. Frontman Kurt Cobain's raw emotion resonated, giving a voice to the disenchanted youth of America. This wasn't just music, it was a cultural shift. As the grunge movement exploded, it challenged the glam metal dominance and pushed for authenticity, paving the way for alternative rock. Tragically, Cobain's struggle with fame and mental health became a haunting reminder of the price of glory. Nirvana didn't just change music, they changed the world. Follow for more rock music history.